Are you looking for the best power tool set in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best power tool set that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DEWALT Max Cordless Drill Power Tool Set. The DEWALT Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit, which is the boss of all combo kits. Don't just take our word for it. It's according to existing users and kit experts from across the globe. We love that this is a cordless unit, since that means it is also extremely portable and easy to move around. As a whole, DEWALT has for many years been responsible for the design, production, and distribution of high-quality hardware tools that help make life easier and more enjoyable. So, their latest invention is no different from all others. The DEWALT Power Tool Kit features a cordless drill and a compact drill driver, responsible for the production of up to 300 watts of energy altogether. Also, for blade changes that won't require you to make use of a reciprocating shaft or touching blade, the DEWALT Max Combo Kit features a keyless blade clamp. This feature isn't familiar with many other combo kits on the market, and as such, it raises the demand for our favorite machine. In a nutshell, you can change your blades with ease and forget about the use of wrenches, thanks to DEWALT manufacturers. Up next in the 4th place is the Makita XT612M Power Tool Set. Makita wears the ultimate crown as an innovative leader. Their latest product, the Makita XT612M Combo Kit, is everything you will ever want in a brushless motor unit and much more. With this combo kit, you're given a first-class ticket into the minds of Makita scientists and designers. So, you'll pretty much know exactly what runs through their minds. During every design process, each part is meticulously built to ensure that you're able to enjoy using this outstanding, innovative, and user-friendly combo kit in the comfort of your garage. The Makita Combo Kit further comes with several brushless motor tools that deliver increased power and speed, as well as longer runtime and longer tool life. You'll also like that Makita's best combo kit is highly efficient. It's basically an 18V lithium-ion brushless and cordless machine that is built for electrical control. What's more, the use of electricity allows the device to optimize battery and energy usage 50% longer, something other manufacturers are still struggling to wrap their heads around. The 3rd product on our list is the DEWALT DCK940D2 Power Tool Set. When asked about the best brand for hardware and garage applications, a lot of people look to DEWALT. This is a well-known brand that has made a name for themselves through their production of top-class products and machinery. Their designs are always unique, and as such, they stand out from their competition without much effort. If you're on the lookout for the perfect combo kit, this brand is here to save you with the DEWALT 20V DCK940D2 Drill Combo Kit. This is an amazing cordless kit built with up to 9 different tools for all your applications. It comes with several unique features that set it apart from the masses. Our favorite DEWALT cordless combo kit features 9 different tools, some of which are an oscillating tool with its equally amazing LED work light, a drill driver, a right-angle drill, and even a Bluetooth speaker to bring on the music and entertainment. This combo kit basically surpasses many other units which are more expensive and tons heavier. There's no project this combo kit cannot be used for, we can assure you. What's more, every tool is specially built, with major consideration given to durability, longevity, and portability. Second on our list is the Porter Cable Combo Kit. Meet the Porter Cable Combo Kit, another amazing unit in our arsenal, and a list of must-haves for your garage and workshops. Porter Cable is a company with many strengths, and its sole aim is to deliver quality and innovative products to customers. If we said that the Porter Cable PCCK 6E198 hadn't enriched the lives of its existing users, we would be terrible liars. It provides you with all the necessary tools for your application whenever and wherever. The Porter Cable Combo Kit further features several tools, some of which include a drill driver, circular saw, jigsaw, reciprocating saw, oscillating multi-tool, and LED flashlight, as well as a grinder for all your varying workshop needs. You'll also like that these tools come with specific measurements and dimensions which are common in every garage and home, which go a long way to make your work easier. The Porter Cable Drill further comes with a 2-speed gearbox and a high-performance motor. Both items are included to deliver the power needed to complete all your tasks. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ryobi P884 Combo Kit. If it wasn't already implied, it's the Ryobi P884 Combo Kit, a state-of-the-art kit put together by the best in the business. This kit, unlike many popular kits, doesn't come with many tools, but the pieces included are powerful and exceptional enough to surpass the thousands that others may be armed with. What's more, this 6-tool combo kit is built by Ryobi for your garages and construction sites. The power tool kit itself features an 18-volt dual chemistry charger, as well as 2 lithium batteries that can be used on any machine with ease. Even more, the lithium batteries can be charged and recharged within 30 minutes. It further features tool weights, some of which include the circular saw, impact driver, and a reciprocating saw. More, so there is a work light to allow you to operate in the night, a carrying bag for portability, and a job plus space. And for the most part, the tools in this combo kit are adjustable, making them more efficient and suitable for a lot more jobs. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.